Hey guys, welcome to What Mommy Loves. My name is Zinma and this is what we eat in a day. So the kids start their day by drinking some milk and they always use the tummy tippy bottle. Milan can actually use a different bottle, but Nina always insists on this tummy tippy bottle. So this is basically how they start the day. So they wake up and then they have milk first, and then maybe around about dinner time they may want another bottle of milk. So we give them whole milk, that's cow's milk, like twice a day, and that's fine. Let's say good morning to the littles.
Let's sing good morning.
You wanna sing? Okay. Oh, that's a very beautiful song, Nina. You're really good at it. Mr. Milan, you're sitting so comfy. See the way you are sitting on your chair? For breakfast, we're having porridge oats, and the kids love porridge oats so much. We have it with powdered milk and honey, and that powdered milk just makes it so yummy. It's kind of sticky and creamy and yummy. I love it. If you guys haven't tried porridge oats with milk, like powdered milk, you need to give it a shot. It's delicious, I tell you. So after breakfast, I'm just going to have a tidy up and then get busy with the kids, do some learning and just have some fun. Next we have snack time, and we have toast and clementine today for our snack. For Nina, she likes her toast with jam, and then Milan likes his with butter. After buckling his high chair, I'm just going to put a bib on him because things are going to get messy real quick. I'm having some hot chocolate and toast. So for lunch, we're having penne, mac and cheese. I love penne. It's so versatile. You can use it for pasta bake, you can use it for mac and cheese, you could use it for anything really. But my special recipe for this penne mac and cheese, I need to create one for you guys. You guys need to make this at home. It's so delicious, I tell you. Oh, it's so yummy, I tell you. I always love making this for the kids, and I think it's their favorite meal because they love it. So here I'm just gonna cut Milan's one into little, little pieces so he can feed himself. What do you think about your food? It's yummy? Baby, you love it? Some more? Should I eat the carrots as well? You finished? Well done, Nina. You almost finished as well. I'm really proud of you guys. Oh, look at my kids finish their food. No, I didn't see Samuel. I said my kids are doing very well. They finished their food. What happened, Baba? You fall down? Milan did very well, isn't it? Milan, close the door.
Are you ready to finish?
Well, yeah, basically. And you finished as well.
Yeah.
You don't want me to carry Nina? Oh, Baba, what's going on today? You want some water? Do you want water? For dinner, we're having boiled potatoes and fish sauce. For the fish, we're just using some really lovely, yummy mackerel sardines. And then for the sauce, I've just mixed some veggies, some green, yellow, and red peppers with carrots, peas, and broccoli, and then cauliflower and tomatoes, and just hooked up a good sauce for them. It's really yummy, and the kids love this as well. kids are just getting entertained by Peppa Pig right now, and then I'm just gonna tidy up and then get them ready for their bedtime routine. Thank you guys so much for watching and dining with us. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you click the like button, comment down below, let me know anything and everything, and please subscribe to my channel and then smash that notification button so you guys can get notifications every time I upload a new video. Okay, thank you guys so much. As you can see, these kids are ready to sleep. See you in my next one. Bye.